Welcome. Pupintas Oh, beautiful. Puh. Oh, princess. Smile smile. Hi.
Saan mo ganyan? Kaya picture nga talon. Kaya picture nga talon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kalia. Yay! Yay, nak. Oh, blow, blow. Blow, blow, nak, blow.
Minggo man ning.
Ay, huwag gaya mga naikwag.
Oh. Blow. Kanang
Blow, nak, blow. Blow, nak, blow, blow. Blow yung kinimati. Oh, papaitan. Pato.
Ala ka nag-break da karon.
Oh, narami ginawa ni Levi. Mamang test pudding ko na.
I made it.
Yeah. I told them you made this pudding. Hindi siya makapili-pili. Pinapapili ko siya. Mati, ibati namin.
Hoy, pili ka na. Takam naman. Mami, yoga mo.
Kasi look ko na natapos ko. Tapos isublay na mo lang. Can you spell snow?
S
Yes.
N
Yes.
O W.
Yay! How about Kalia? Spell again na adding name.
K
Yes. Yes.
L
Yes.
A.
Yay! You really know how to spell words. 6 plus 6.
12.
12. Yes, that's right. 5 plus 2.
7.
Good boy. You're very smart na. How about daddy? Can you spell daddy?
D A M D E.
Daddy. Spell it again, nak.
D
Yes.
A
Yes.
D
Yes.
E.
Daddy. Daddy.
Kasi damo lang siya. Daligap na yung ganyan kayo mo yung
Daddy.
Y.
Yes. Y. D-A-D-D-Y. Double D. Yes. You. How about your name, Claude? Can you spell it?
CLAUDE.
Tadjo.
T A
Yes.
J
D. D.
D
Yes.
Tadyo.
Tadjo.
O.
Tadjo. Spell it again, nak. Tadjo. Ta-
Tadyo lang
Tadyo. T.
T
Yes.
A
Yes. Tadjo.
Buuin nyo kami na dinagan kami. Lord, Tadyo kami kunahin.
Yeah, D. D.
D
What else?
A
E.
E
Yes.
O so J.
Tadjo. Claude Tadjo.
Okay. What about this? Lock.
Lock. Okay. Can you spell lock?
L O
Yes.
K.
CK.
CK.
Yes, lock. How about
No.
no?
Okay. NO.
Yes. How about yes? Yeah. Yes.
YES.
And how old are you?
5.
5. So what's the name of your teacher?
Miss Bellamy.
Mm. So who teach you read and who teach you do the addition?
My teacher.
Your teacher teach you how to read? Are you sure?
Yes.
I thought daddy and mommy teach you how to read.
Both of them.
Both of them. Because in the school I thought you were just playing in there with your classmates.
Also that too.
Eating, playing, only like that? And watching television there?
Yes.
So can you tell me your name then?
Awag TV na di man.
Claude.
Awag.
Did you know?
Yeah.
Da TV da. Kasimbro ka. No kasi nag-snack da kada maganda kag buya TV. So siguro nga mga magpanay ko.
We play music first and then watch.
Yes. They have TV. Careful, daddy.
They have a TV called Whitewood.
Inside your room, right?
No, inside the living room.
There's no living room in your school.
Yes, and we had cards.
So say hi to our subscribers.
Hi,
Please subscribe.
please subscribe
Yes. On Claude's channel.
on Claude's channel.
On your YouTube, you have YouTube channel, right?
Yes, I did not get my YouTube diamond. All YouTube has YouTube diamond. Also YouTube square like that.
Yes. Can you spell daddy's that is really hard.
No, CLVLC.
Clifford. Cliff.
Daddy's car is named Civic.
Oh, Civic. Yes. CIVIC.
Yes.
Oh, Honda Civic. So how about Honda?
O
Honda.
H
Yes.
O
Yes.
D
Honda.
Uno pa lang kami.
N
Yes.
D
Yes. Honda.
Unaan yung mga men ko panunutan na kayo lang.
D
Yes.
N A.
Oh, that's correct.
Hindi yung urayan.
Honda. HONDA. Well, say bye-bye now.
Bye bye.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And then we go. The video, yes.
It's too.
Okay. So how about green? Can you spell green?
G E
Green.
R
Yes.
Y O E E
E.
N.
Yes. N. Good boy, ah. You know now how to spell.
What about the T E? The TH
E. The. Yes. And What time is it now?
9:40.
9:40 in the evening.
Okay, I gotta go to sleep.
Okay, you say good night to them.
Good night,
Everyone.
everyone.
Good night daw dahil matulog na siya.